Hi guys, today we'll be having an interview with one of our recently funded traders who's just received his payout. And so here we welcome Encik Awang.
Hi,
Can you start by introducing a little bit by yourself?
right. My name is Awang Kuzairi. So
Mhm.
also they have called me Abang Mango.
Oh, why mango?
That is my nickname because I like which you call is mango juice. I think. Uh,
Okay, it makes two of us. Okay.
yeah.
Tell us a little bit by yourself.
My experience in trading is I'm start 2015.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh, 10 years now. Okay.
yes, before I know about prop trading, so
Mm.
I manage funds to for the 2%.
Oh,
Before
okay.
this is I manage fund. So it's similar like prop trading. That investor is like said, per day is you cannot reach this risk. So per month you need to reach this profit target.
Oh,
Uh,
but these are parameters that you set yourself?
no.
Oh,
That is my investor set to me lah.
oh, okay.
Uh,
I see. Okay, it's like prop
uh,
trading. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
it's like a prop trading, but the fund is not like prop trading. For you know, is prop trading is have 100K. This is for the only is I think I manage 10K.
Oh, okay.
This
Okay.
is 10K, and then 2019, I think. Yes, 2019. So this is my first. I joined the prop trading. Uh,
Mm.
and then 2020 is I know first is at the funding talent FTMO, and then I think is my forex fund
Okay.
MFF. So and then right now I'm from 2020 until now my income is 100% from prop trading.
Wow. Awesome.
Uh,
So you're basically full-time trader.
yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay.
trader.
Cool.
Overall is my payout. Before this is I have at a fund at the fund trader. Even at the fund trader I have a session interview like this.
Nice. Very
Uh,
nice. So with all these firms, you've had payouts.
yeah.
What made you decide to just try, or is it diversifying your risk,
Yeah.
going to different firms? Is it?
Yes. Is it betul?
Okay. Okay.
Because as we know is about some prop firm different rules.
Yes.
And then some different and some prop firm is even you already reach your profit if you deny your payout. So that is my strategy to have a many account at another prop firm.
Mm.
Because as we know also like the funded trader, funded engineer, my FM is no more in prop trading. So let's say if one prop firm down, so this means I have another account at another prop firm.
Okay. Good strategy.
That is my strategy to manage my fund.
Okay. So this is your prop trading model, lah, right?
Yeah, my prop firm model. Because my my risk reward ratio is only 1/2. Because let's say I have a 5 account, so 1/2 is already if you combine is already 10%.
So what's like your hit rate? Like
It's half
half,
rate.
also
Yeah,
half.
half
Oh,
rate.
awesome. Okay. So at which point then did you decide to uh or did you hear about us?
Okay, first is my friend because my friend is also prop traders. So he asked me because the trade expert is based in Kuching, right? It's
Yes.
HQ. Because I'm from Kuching also. So that's why I want to try is a local,
Support local lah.
yeah, support local.
Okay,
So and
awesome.
then I'm try because based on your website in you can reach is 100% payout. And then so even your rules also is transparent and simple. It's no need hidden rules or because before this I have experience in if you reach the another profit target, say deny your payout because my risk is already more than 1%. So
Mm.
they give me just only 25% payout so far, and then the trade export uh based on my payout before this. Your process is I think 48 hours process.
Yes.
And then
24 to 48. Yes.
yeah, before this, I have a issue at the rice ID.
Oh.
Okay, I already checked your support and email at Open Ticket and Discord lah.
Oh,
So
okay.
far that my problem solved is below than 48 hours. So and then I already received my payout. So far, your action from the support and at the Discord is smooth lah.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So before this, I have more experience is when I hit the target, the profit, there is a delay payout. Even already I got the email the approve, and then once I'm come with the payout date, they said I breached the rules this rule, and then I only get the payout 35%. Even they reset my account to fund it again.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah. So definitely that's one of our principles. We definitely give you what you deserve. So basically, if you have earned your way to a funded account,
yeah,
then you will get what you gain from that account. So you do not have to worry about, whether, okay, let's say this month I make 10%. Now I need to worry about whether I'll be getting it or not.
yeah,
So technically, if you don't breach your evaluation, you reach your funded, whatever that you get from there, it'll be yours. No questions. There won't be any reviews again,
yeah,
interviews again. It'll be straightforward. So far since we started back March 2023, it has been 100% payout rate, no rejection.
yeah,
Yeah. And also regarding the rules that you mentioned, how we see it is that the rules in place is actually we design it to make you a better trader.
yeah,
It's what it's when if you're a retail trader, these are actually things that you also need to learn, like risk management, right?
correct.
You need to know when to leave the market. You need to know not to lose too much. So position sizing, what are the riskier behaviors that we should be avoiding, right?
Yeah,
So the rules that we have is designed for that. So we do not have like funny rules, so,
yeah, yeah,
right?
correct, correct, correct.
That sometimes makes you feel like, what is this rule for? What purpose does it serve?
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. So appreciate it. So maybe you can brief us a little bit about your trading style.
My trading style is I'm use the Elite Wave and the ICT.
Okay.
So I'm combine the two that's method lah. But my risk reward is still in 1/2.
Mm.
Even 1/2 is I also apply at my evaluation.
Oh, okay.
Even at for example, like let's say I got the funded account and then I got one setup. That is how I manage my psychology. Is let's say I got the one setup and I reach my take profit level is 1/2. This means I'm rest my account and waiting for the payout. Then even at the trade X prop is I think is every another cycle is 30 days, right?
Yes.
Every days.
First
For me,
payout is instant.
first, yes, first payout instant. You can withdraw anytime,
Yes.
and then for the next cycle is every 30 days.
Correct.
For me, that 30 days is okay, but sometimes people said, as you know, another platform is bi-weekly, 14 days, 14 days, 14 days.
Mm.
For me, this the 14 days, every 14 days is you can breach your psychology because you, I think that is you feel grit and at the
You want it quick lah.
yes,
Okay,
you
understood.
this is I think trade X prop is the only prop I trade every payout is 30 days because for me 30 days is like you receive your salary
Paycheck.
every month.
Yes.
That is my how I manage my psychology and account.
Oh,
Because for me, like let's say like you funded is 100K payout, 100K unfunded. You gain this 2% is already is 2,000 plus minus is 80% is 1.6
yes.
this is more than enough if you increase your lifestyle. You
Oh,
just maintain your
okay.
lifestyle, but your income is increased.
That's a 5,000 ringgit salary.
The 5,000 ringgit is
Very decent.
very decent.
Yeah.
Based on your question is Elite 12 and ICT. Elite 12 I learned from 2018.
Oh, so basically just tweaks along the way only lah.
Yes, it's along the way. Even okay, ICT is just early. I think around only 1 year. I'm still study lah about the ICT concept.
Oh, okay. So with the
Uh,
ICT, you find that it refines your entry, or how has looking at the ICT help you with your Elliott wage?
okay, like I'm combine the, for example, my Elite 12 is for my a big picture to know which direction.
Oh, okay, the big
And
trend.
yeah, the
Okay.
big trend. And then ICT is I will trade is maybe M5 and M1 to the entry. Because
Ah.
let's say you entry M1 and M5, 1/2 is very quick. You can reach.
Oh, I see.
Uh,
Okay, okay. So you in and you out.
yeah, in and out.
So you scalp?
Yeah, I'm scalping.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. So
because I manage multiple account in prop. So this means my trade prop is the new, I think the new funded my new funded account.
oh,
Uh,
okay.
before this is I manage is multiple account at another prop firm.
Oh, I see, I see.
Uh, what is my interested in the X prop is your the max account is 400K, right?
Biggest one, yes.
It is right.
But we allow you to merge, or if it's the same step and it's the same size, same then it will be and on the same platform, then we can merge it for you. Or alternatively, we also give you a max allocation of 1 million funded. Yeah.
That is my target at the Trade X prop because I think for the single account for the 400 so far right now is I think the Trade X prop only. The
Oh,
400.
okay.
That is my interested with the Trade X prop. Even based on your rules and based on your support ticket and Discord is everything smooth. So I hopefully is my account is can return at the Trade X prop.
We also hope to see that you can be part of this for a long time. We're happy to
Yeah.
see that. Yeah. So actually back to just now, you talked about when you were talking about how you view it as a salary. To really make it as a prop trader or as a
Right.
trader in general, you have to look at it long term, kan? Long
Yeah.
term, and then you have to make it. How do you say it? You treat it like setting up business.
Yeah. Correct.
So you do it seriously. You get paid at the end of the day. That mentality, I think it's the first time I hear somebody say it like that lah. But yes, it makes sense. It makes sense. That just shows that you come, you're not chasing, and it's basically a way that can prevent you from all the bad habits.
Yeah. Right.
May I know, let's say, what's your lowest point? Let's say streaks or losses, or were there any points where you wanted to give up?
Before this, I have the biggest funded account at the funded trader is I think is 700K funded.
Mm,
I already reached my profit target is 2.4 plus something percent.
mm.
And then but uh this is I use my psychology and I got the entry in entry. So I'm revenge the market and my that account is lost I think 9%.
Oh,
So after that is I'm trying to recovery. So I think it took 4 months I think to break even that account.
oh, wow.
4 months and then I got 0.5% and I request the payout. That is the lowest part I think because I break my rules and I break my self belief. So this means based on that experience, so this why is I stick in 1/2. I get enough, and then I close the chart. And I'm waiting for the payout. That
So how do you know to stop trading? Like let's say you still see it set up. Yeah, before the 30 days, right? You still
yeah,
see a few setups. What are you gonna do? Like it's A grade setup.
yes,
Yeah, what are you going to do? Are you gonna still trade? Or is
okay.
that cut off point?
Okay, for example, like let's say I got my target, even I look the chart. Let's say I see the chart. This is the A plus setup.
Mhm.
So maybe I entry and maybe I will not entry. With I entry, my risk will be is 0.5%. Before this is every setup is I will reach is 1%.
Oh, okay. So
Okay,
you have the risk.
yes,
Okay.
I have the risk, but my risk reward will be is 1/1 because I already secure is my 2%.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So it's a very dynamic thing. So
Yeah,
you reach certain target, then you reduce the risk and also the reward. The risk to reward also will be different because you
yeah,
have already hit a profit target, you already secure. So
yes,
you save up.
yeah, safe.
Okay.
Even if hit the stop loss is already gain is 1.5%.
And there's also less pressure. Less
Yeah,
pressure. Then you also make peace with whatever outcome, lah, right?
yeah.
Because you already prepared for it. So okay, that's a good plan. That's a very good plan. So also, can I ask at which point in your trading journey that things start to click? From being losing, suddenly you start to break even a little bit and start to making some more profits. What's your aha moment?
Oh, that's this moment.
Yes.
Okay, that moment is when I learn from my mistake, and then I create this one trading system in every my journey.
Mm-hmm.
This means my trading system I create is my risk reward ratio, and then my risk every setup.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's say some people like to trade high impact news. For me, is I will not trade in news because
Mm-hmm.
I have a bad experience in news. But sometimes you can gain more. Sometimes is your account will be lost more than you
Mm.
expect. So this
Okay.
means is I create the trading system, and then once I complete the trading system, I follow the trading system. Is my journey in trading is smooth. But once I break my trading system,
Mm.
this means is let's say I lose my account or my breach my account when I look back again, or I self sabotage my trading system. This
Mm.
means is my trading system is like my guideline to every my journey in trading.
I see. So basically, once you have spent all that effort and time developing a trading system,
Yeah,
you sort of already have that level of trust, believe in the
yeah,
process that it will work out for as long as you stick to it.
correct.
And the moment you know you that you start breaking it, that you know bad things will happen, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So that means all the things that you do, how you design your plan, it seems that it's to prevent you from breaking the system.
yeah, correct.
So that's why you don't trade news, and then you adjust your risk to reward, and so that
Yeah,
okay,
it's something like
understand.
that.
Interesting, interesting. Because this one is the real discipline.
Yeah,
This one takes real discipline because I think this is the main problem for most traders.
yeah,
Let's say even if you have a system, but actually you still always will be so tempted to break it a bit,
yeah,
or sometimes
correct.
you're in a bit of profit, and then you start risking more than you should. But
Mm,
like for you, it's instead it's different. See, you already hit your target, um, but now you're risking less, and the reward is also less.
yes,
You don't start becoming greedy, but
yeah.
you start reducing the risk even further. So cool, cool. That's good to hear. Good to hear. Okay, so let's say for somebody now who is interested to start in prop trading, or maybe they're already trading but they're struggling to pass the evaluation. What would your word of advice be to them?
Okay. Whatever this is, first is invest. I think don't invest the to buy the account first. Invest the knowledge first, because the knowledge is generally for example like in prop trading, risk reward ratio is the most important thing for me. And then first is the risk, is how you manage account. Even sometimes when some people ask me, "Oh, you got lucky because you have the biggest account." It's not about biggest or lowest account. Even if you can handle the 10,000 account, so do you expect you can handle the 100K? That is, for example, is how you manage the smallest account. If you successfully manage the smallest account, the biggest account is very easy to use. That's why its risk reward ratio is the most important things. Even for the prop trading is very important. Like 1/2, and then risk 1%. Mostly traders is use the pips.
Mm.
Yes. In prop trading is if you risk percent, that is the most important. If you understand about the percent in risk reward ratio, you can
Yes.
handle the evaluation.
Yes. Yes. It's a more standardized way of looking at things
Yes.
for me, using percentage.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not like a retail trader. Retail trader is, let's say your stop loss is 30 pips. Your TP is 50 pips.
Yeah.
It's very different in the prop trading. That's why is I'm from the retail to the prop trading. If you not understand in how prop trading works, it's a very you can stand in your fares and the bridge.
Yes.
Yeah. This
Yes.
is
Yes.
my advice is invest for knowledge first. Learn how prop trading works and how to pass phase one, phase two. Mostly people is phase one is okay. And then phase two is mostly even phase two is mostly fail funded. This is why phase one is you can see lah first
Definitely.
phase one is the biggest profit target. Even phase two smallest than phase one, but
Yes.
mostly fail is phase two. That is lose is the psychology because you're rushing to fund it.
Yes. Correct.
If funded is rushing to pay out.
Yes.
That's why is my advice is invest for knowledge first.
Because if you see the breakdown of what you said just now,
Yeah,
each phase, the problem, the common element, just now you mentioned, phase one to phase two to funded phase,
yeah,
you are rushing. This is the
yes,
common
rushing,
keyword, right?
rushing.
Rushing is never, it's not a good quality to have when
Yeah,
you're a trader, right? Why are you rushing? What's the
mm,
purpose of rushing? Does it
yes,
give you any benefit, right? There's no benefit, don't do it. This is
yes,
the common problem that we see with suddenly their trading style change, suddenly their risk appetite change, and then it's like the funded can they can be doing the evaluation for a few weeks, 1 month, pass, and then the moment they get funded, can blow within 2 days, 3 days, cannot wait to get payout. So definitely that's a very something that we observe a lot.
yes, correct.
Yeah, yeah,
Even that is I observe uh, from my side also lah. Because based on my experience in prop trading is 2020 until now is the 5 years in prop trading. Mostly I'm fail at phase two and funded. That is from the journey experience is I learn lah. That's why is
Mm.
I create the system.
Correct,
Uh,
correct. And that's the thing. When you have a system, then let's say if you hit a roadblock, right? You
yeah,
struggle, and then you have problems. Most important thing is there's a takeaway, right? You
yes,
must be able to learn something from it, and then so that you already have an established system, then you can start at least adjusting something. If you never had a system to begin with, you have problem and you try to learn something, but there's nothing to adjust.
yes,
It's
correct.
all in your head. So very important, have a trading system and have a takeaway at the end of your when you have problems. So what you did, I think, is really awesome. Especially like from what I see, uh, when you build consistent mindset, right?
Yeah,
A consistent mindset, like all the rules that you have for basically is to maintain to protect your trader psychology, lah, to
yes,
not make it go crazy. I think it's really important because, like what you say, I mean, actually, if you cannot manage a 10K account, you definitely cannot manage a 100K account.
yes, correct.
That's why this mental thing is the biggest struggle, I think, trader space. And all the things that you mentioned, I think, will be very helpful for traders to try to learn from
Yeah,
and
correct.
and tweak and to their style. So awesome, awesome. So now as you mentioned earlier, your goals is what's your overall goal as a funded trader? I mean, just continue.
Yes, my goal is I continue in uh, gain as more as I can fund it at the platform. For example, like Chat Export is my goal is we need to make the election. It's 1 million, right?
Yes. Awesome. Awesome. So in the next few years, that's where you see yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. We hope to be part of this part of your journey.
Yeah.
We also would really like to see successful traders, who can really make this. I mean, that's the purpose we have a platform, because we traders can achieve stuff that without this concept, then it becomes more difficult. If you just stay retail, is a lot more difficult. Yeah. So okay. So any final thoughts or words for fellow traders?
For the traders is not yet try the prop trading. You try first the prop trading is that is based on my experience. Is changing your life. You can try from the small account first. You see, and then mostly traders is they have know how to entry, but they do not consistent is how to manage consistently that account.
Mm, okay. And maybe you can share how do you decide which platform to go with? Maybe
Okay,
like some tips.
right. For example, because I already recommend this prop firm to my fellow student, and Trade Exprop is for it. Trade Exprop is the one of the recommended prop firm
Thank you. Thank you.
because the main reason is I like your how your I think your customer service react is from if let's say like I have no problem, so it means your customer support is very quick to solve that problem. That is my interested in every problem. Uh,
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. At least we know we're doing something right now.
yeah.
Okay. I think that'll be all. Hope to see you soon. Hope there'll be a second interview coming up, maybe.
Okay, okay,
Right.
right.
So thank you, Kuzairi, for sharing your story and your insights. We're
Okay.
happy to have you as part of our TREDx Prop family, and looking forward to see you have to achieve more success.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.